The fastest way to damage your reputation on Goodreads isn't bad writing. It's how you behave as an author. Goodreads is not social media. It's not Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. It's a reader's space. And when authors forget that, readers notice immediately. Today, I'll show you the biggest mistakes authors make, how to avoid it, so that you're building a community for your readers. Authors, we love them and we fear them. When you're reading reviews of your book on Goodreads, do it privately and learn patterns silently. This is a great way for you to understand who your readers are and what they like. Even polite replies on Goodreads, even saying thank you for review, is too much. Remember when you get those dreaded negative reviews. Not every negative review is someone trolling you. Maybe they hated your book. Maybe the marketing was bad and you marketed it to the wrong person, or the publisher marketed the wrong person. That's fair. We as authors don't love every book we read. If you ever have someone trying to provoke you as an author as part of a review, just let it go. The best thing you can do as an author is not to respond to the reviews that are given to you. Ironically, your reputation is built on what you ignore. And if you could ignore the bad reviews, and just allow people to review as readers on the site, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised to read what you see. Goodreads has given you spaces that you can interact with readers. So the most obvious one is Ask the Author. Treat it like a Q&A. So it's not marketing. Just be yourself, show your writing, and readers will appreciate it. So Goodreads readers ironically reward authors when they behave like fellow readers. So providing the occasional updates like this is good, showing your genuine reading activity and doing reviews, and you have a natural participation because you're there to build a community. That's all good. Where it's bad, if you're doing constantly giving away posts, you're messaging readers directly, you're doing something even worse like asking for reviews, or you're doing repeated book promotions and just constant updates. People treat it like spam and they will move away from you. As an author, should you review other authors' books? Now, I know some authors, especially indie authors, try to trade reviews, and I would try to avoid that because you would feel pressure to give a very highly positive review and you would probably want to see the same. But the success of your book is not going to be on the strength of other indie author reviews. It's how good your book is to the readers that read it. Be honest, but professional. Remember, these are other authors like you. Now, you can certainly don't have to put a review, but if it's something that you really enjoy, do it. But I wouldn't necessarily go very intense on critiquing authors you don't like. I'm curious, authors or aspiring authors, what surprised you most about Goodreads etiquette? And for readers, what makes you trust or avoid an author on Goodreads? No names, just a situation. I'd love to hear that in the comments. When you're writing a review, talk about how the book meant to you, how it felt. You don't have to do a craft analysis. That's not the point of Goodreads. Goodreads is about helping other readers find great books. And that gives you a chance to help readers find books that inspired you. Now, you certainly can talk about craft, but it's only a subset that will care about it. And it's probably not the right platform. But definitely say things that what that book felt to you. Could you put it down? Did you love it? What parts of the book that you loved? That's what other readers want to know. Never compare other books to your own. That's just not right. It's going to feel like marketing, and it is, and it's not the right format for Goodreads. So what I tend to do when I write my reviews, I look at it as insights to me as an author. What inspired me to write a book? What inspires me to write? I don't actually mention my other books or the books I've written and published, but what I'm trying to do is convey the insights that make this book meaningful to me. And you're going to come up with your own style. But the best thing is just be authentic, be yourself. Convey that passion you have for reading as you have for writing. And the reading community here will appreciate that. So when you review a book, oftentimes it's best to review books that you're passionate about, that mean something to you. And that gives you a chance to showcase your writing in a different format. And readers might love that. Be consistent. This is a format and a venue that you love. You really enjoy doing this. You love to do reviews. Posting on Goodreads is actually a very good way to do it. Now, if this is not you and you don't feel like you want to do it, don't. We have so many other means to reaching out to readers through various types of social media. Pick the social media that you love. Now, I happen to love YouTube videos, so I focus on that. They see you behaving well on Goodreads like a reader. They actually want to read your books as an author. If you want to set up your Goodreads profile right away or to add your book, here are my other 2 videos. If you happen to like these videos, click like and subscribe. Happy writing.